welcome back to my channel. So today in my video I am drawing a duck. Duck? How? So watch closely because a simple wire is about to transform into an aesthetic duck. So watch step by step and wait for some minute. First I shape the wire into basic form. This is the skeleton of our artwork. Next I wrap an old paper around the wire and secure it with a thread. Slowly, the structure starts gaining volume and strength. Now comes the magic step, masking tape. I covered the entire form to create a clean and smooth shape. Look at this. The base form of our duck is finally ready. But the duck needs balance, as we know. So, let's create its leg. For its leg, I am using a divider. I carefully make holes in the body of this duck. Then I insert an aluminum wire and shape it into legs. But these legs need to walk on because it is not balancing. So I put some extra effort to make these two legs into an original leg to make balance. The legs are still raw, so I refine them with masking tape to give them a neat and realistic look. For the final touch, I layer tissue, paper and cotton. This adds texture and brings a natural skin-like effect. And just like that, a simple wire turns into an aesthetic duck. Hard to believe, right? This is the magic of creativity, where ordinary materials become extraordinary art. If this transformation amazed you, don't scroll away, like this video, share it with someone who loves art and comment what should I create next. The next transformation may be even more surprising. So, don't forget to comment. And thanks for watching until the end.